Yes guys, hello and welcome back to another video. Today you're joining my Focus ST. I'm just going to go for a little drive and talk about what it's like to drive the Focus ST and just a little POV drive, really. I like the drive of this car. The only thing I don't like the most is probably, if you listen closely, it rattles. The build quality is not great, but you just forget that, take my idea up and you'll be good. My Focus is 320 brake horsepower, a full stage 2, 200 sports cell catback, so it's not that loud. Well, it is loud on song, but you know, it's not too loud when you're just taking it steady. I think anywhere between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM it starts to pick up loudness, but it doesn't chatter, wastegate chatter. Sounds great. Put the window down a little bit. I don't want to boot it too much because I had a problem the other day. My boost pipe kept coming off, which is really annoying. This car's so crazy. I've not really been in another ST for a while, so I don't know what it sounds like when you're on idle. Is it normal, this sound? Like it's like burbling? You know what I mean? You hear it? It's like Subaru. Look at that Fiat, not seen one of them before. Brand new Fiat 500. Why would you do that? It's very poppy today.
A few moments later.
So, yeah, we've got a problem and my boost pipe's come off, and it turns out, I think it's this, but this isn't even old. It came on the pipe from Matt Lewis Motorsport, so luckily we broke down outside Halfords, and now we're going to go and walk over there to go and get a new clip. But it's just down there. Hopefully no one will steal my car. My hair feels weird. I've got a GoPro stuck to my head. This is so much fun. Oh, fuck's sake. Fingers crossed. Halfords. I need to go and find someone. I don't want to be walking around trying to find. I think they're going to be over here. Listen to my shoes. Nike Air Bubbles on my feet looking fresh. They cost $110. I'm dressed to impress. So what size is that? 50 to 70. And that one is for 60 to 80. I could do with one that's a bit thicker, like fatter, but I don't think they're going to sell them, are they? No, that'll do then, guys. We'll head back and go and get this. Yeah, what a nightmare. Buy a Ford, they say. It's good, they say. Right, we're just going to fit this real quickly and then we're going to be on our way. So we are back. It's on, it's fixed. Yeah, we're in and we're on. Back on the route, guys. It's supposed to be a slight tiny little video. It's not supposed to be all day. So we're back in the POV. This is it. This is exactly what you get when you go for a drive in your Focus ST. Something bloody breaks. I know it's only minute and it probably wouldn't happen to you, but it happens to me continuously. There's always something going wrong. Watch. Yeah, I thought so. Oh no, it's not. It didn't. It was just lucky we broke down outside Halfords. Thanks, Dan. Oh dear. Never mind, eh? It could be worse. Could have been worse. We could have been broke down somewhere where we can't get parts. That would have been an absolute nightmare. Oh dear. She's on the phone. Is that Leah? That looks like. No, it's not Leah. That was stressful. I think she's good now. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm booting it, because I know for a fact if that comes off now, I'm screwed. I've got no tools in the car. Basically, I took the tools out of my car last night because I needed it for my computer. And then obviously I used to keep it in the car because I had it happen once before on the motorway. I was coming down the motorway, boost braking, and it just popped off. And I was like, oh, I've got that in the box. I haven't got no tools, sorry. And then, yeah, ever since that happened, I carry it around with me. I don't know how much you can see. Hopefully you can see everything you need to see. Oh dear. That was not fun. This car, right, if you buy a Focus ST or you've got one, do you not agree you can't just get in it and drive it normally? I have got to get in it and put my foot down. I just cannot help it. Like every day I go out in my car, it's not a daily, it's a car that I use every now and again. But every time I go out in it, I'm like, right, I'm going to drive sensibly today. I'm not going to be a complete hooligan ass boat kind of person. I'm going to be nice and steady. As soon as I see a bit of open road, whee, I'm gone. I need to hurry up really because I can't check the time I'm driving. It's 10 o'clock. chat though, don't you? She needs to go back on a dyno. Needs to go back on a dyno to see what power it is. Really. Most definitely. Also, the brakes are shocking. I have got drilled and grooved brakes with yellow stuff pads, I think, or EBC pads. I can't remember what brakes I've got. And I've got some sort of brakes. They're not very good. Listen, everything rattles. I've got upgraded poly-bushing engine mount, gearbox mount. Listen, everything rattles. If it wasn't a Ford, it was like something German, I don't think you'd get that. But like, this is sort of not really compared to a Golf, is it? It's more compared to like a Renault Megane RS, or the Astra VXR, or the, what else would there be in that category? I don't really know. Like a cheap hot hatch, although to be fair, it's going up in value. It's probably more than the competitors. The same plate Astra VXR, it's probably less money than this is. Driving good today. Does everybody else, whoever watching this video, if you've got a Focus ST, do you daily your car? Like, how do you cope? Like, it's really noisy. I mean, not the car, like I don't mind the exhaust sound, but like all the rattling. Drink. Bad. I got the tiniest little drink left. See, look how much room there is for me. I just feel claustrophobic in here. It's like this in every vehicle I have. I'm a bit nervous about this road. That van's gonna get pulled out one. We could just move left like those side right lane. I thought he was going to cut me up, but he was polite. So I'm not going to talk about what I hate about the car right now whilst I'm driving it, because you will see in the other video what I hate about the car. The link will be here. Just click around the screen somewhere. We'll put it in my hands. The link is in my hands. Go and check it out. So like MPG wise, I know like some of you might want a daily one of these cars. I wouldn't personally, but to be fair, we've done a few miles. But there's we've got like a live MPG counter. What's this wagon doing? Oh, there's a car turning. Oh, come on, mate. throttle. I would just cruise at that speed. Cruising at 30, light throttle, 40 mpg. And put your foot down a little bit and it all disappears. We'll see how low we can get it, yeah. You ready? Don't come off again, boost pipe. I saw 5. I'll do for that. The problem is with this car, yeah, you can break the speed limit far too fast. I guess, like, what's the point of having a fast car when you can't really use it on the road anyway? You know, I have to go to tracks and stuff, which I am going to be doing. I definitely want to get out on the track. Oh god, I've just been and picked some stuff up and it's all rattling in the back. Squeaky brakes. Cow. Citroen Cactus, one of the ugliest cars. Haven't they got like airbags on the outside? That's why they look like that. So if you've been following my channel, yeah, you'd know that I've been having issues with blue smoke. Well, it's just kind of disappeared. It doesn't do it anymore. Figure that out. And this is the problem. I'm going to change this to tin. I can't see anything. Just got done by a Corolla. I think I need to get my my arms sorted on the car. It's like very, when you go over bumps, it doesn't feel great. Or like, it tries to pull you around. I don't know if that's just normal. Oh, we can just see the traffic lights right now. I'm going to drive steady now, like, because we've not got much fuel left. I'm so tired. You did well to stop. Yeah, that wraps it up for the video, guys. There's traffic lights everywhere and it's doing my head in. I'm gonna go home now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what your driving experience is like. Do you enjoy it? Have you had problems like I have with a body boost pipe? And don't forget to comment down below and like the video and subscribe for more videos. I've got plenty of other content coming, car shows, modifications, car reviews. I do all sorts. So yeah guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.